Play for a goal kick. Higuain with a beautifully timed run. Albrighton. It's a forceful run down the right, but he's short of options now. Oh, good interception. Fuchs. Albrighton looking for options. Hamsik tries a through ball, and he's onside. Higuain, and he's through on goal.
And what a great way to start the game, to spark the game. I mean, the captain has basically triggered a contest that should be even livelier than we anticipated. Get your seatbelts on. This could be rather exciting.
Well, that always looked the likely outcome.
Hamsik just knew instinctively where the ball was going to end up. That's clearly been worked on the training ground, and the understanding is pretty exceptional between them, and it was beautifully worked.
Napoli have an early lead. Good start. Speculative strike. Managed to get it away. He's there to hoof it away. Nothing wrong with that tackle. Ball won cleanly. It's Fuchs. Napoli are already ahead. The perfect start.
Well, they've managed to get their noses in front early because they've been much quicker out of the stalls. They've set a high tempo and intensity and look as though they want it much more at the moment.
Callejon, who scored inside the first 10 minutes to make it 1-0. Done very well to intervene. Albrighton. Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. Albrighton. Chip through. Shakes the shoes. Napoli cannot keep hold of the ball. And it's Albrighton. Looks to slip it through. Keeps everyone guessing. Hamsik. Thrust towards the front line. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. And the ball's come out. There's a clever pass. Jorginho. Good idea, just poorly executed. Now it's all Brighton. Lorenzo Insigne with the ball through. Higuain. Too much on it, and that's the keeper's. Fuchs. All Brighton. Tries lifting it over. Well, that's where he wants it. Gets it back. Forward it goes. Now the pass. Now it's Insigne. Good try. The outcome could so easily have been different. Perilous as things were, they have survived it.
Well, a warning like that must be heeded. They now know how good this team can be on the break, so measures have to be put in place to guard against that happening.
Insigne with a shot! Big relief, it just needed better contact.
What an effort that was. He's done very well from that distance.
Napoli are ahead here. It has been a good half for them. Fuchs. Did well to step in there. That was more than necessary. Cuts it out. Fuchs. Deftly done. And the flag has stayed down. What a throw in. Higuain, who does have an assist to his name. Passes it through. Looking for a decent ball in. Hit long. And the first 45 minutes are up.
I'm sure they'll be very happy.